Yes! Louder.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you're all having a great day. And the weather today is really good as always when I'm starting a video. But it's actually 8 p.m. at the moment, so that's really late to start the video. But look at this guys. I just built this new setup. Then I have a tower bounce to the trampoline. That's really cool. We recently bought a boat. And the boat is really small, but the engine is 40 horsepower. So that makes the boat really fast and fun to drive. Here are some clips from that. Okay, so far I have moved the trampoline a little bit closer to the tree. And then I have also dug a little bit under some of the corners. And here I have these old springs in this bucket. Look at this. Some of them are rusty too. But I've tried to make some of these power bounce springs that basically have to use 3 of these to make one of them. It makes the trampoline a little bit harder at this point. And the springs are really short, so that's why you have to use 3. Okay, let's start building. Then I will jump down from that and hopefully do some flips, yo. I will put most of the power bounce springs on this side of the trampoline, so that when you jump down from there and do kabooms directly when you land, then you won't fly backwards. I think that's how it works, but I'm not sure. It's really scary to do flips from up there, because you get a lot of bounce when you land, so I can't control it. But I will get used to it, probably. Yo, Spoogel! It's the next day. I will do some flips here. It just started raining, so I have to be quick. It looks a lot higher from up here than from down there. That's a bit scary. This is basically what it looks like from up here. I have 1% battery left in the camera, so I have to be quick. I just experimented with some random flips down from the tower bounce. And it still feels really weird, but hopefully I will get used to it soon. Yo, that's all for today, peace. I just prepared for 2 bounce triple backflip and 1 bounce 1 2 3 and backflips. I will probably do 2 bounce strip back when I have the spring pads up sometime. So yo. But I'm not so sure about 1 bounce 1 2 3 and backflips. Now I'll just do some other random flips. I just landed my first 1 bounce triple full. Hopefully I will be able to do quad full soon. That will be epic. That's all for today. So I just over-rotated a dump kaboom. Then I flew a backflip out of the trampoline and my head landed probably on that fruit over there. Okay, this is a situation where I don't know what to do. Because if I push her away, then it will be animal abuse. So. Okay, can you jump down? Can you jump down? Yes! Freaking did it! Okay, apparently it started to rain like crazy right now. I don't know if you can hear me. Just look at this. It was so cool that I just barely before this rain started to pour down, I did 2 bounce strip back. And I'm really proud of that. Look at my t-shirt, it's freaking soaked. It's raining a little bit less now, and I'm currently putting the spring pads back on, because that's probably best for the springs. And I just realized one really weird thing. If you drag the springs and then release, they make a weird sound. Listen to this. Okay, that's extremely random. Now I'll continue putting this on and then go inside. Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning at the moment, and it's before I go to school. There are a few things I want to say before this video ends. And the first thing is that in the end of this video I will make an edit of the best tricks and stuff done in this video. So that will be right after I say peace. Okay? And the second thing is that if you haven't checked out my summer 2019 video, I would recommend checking it out because it's really good. Yo. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to smash the sub. Don't forget to smash the sub button and hit that bell icon if you enjoyed. That's all. Peace.
Savoring this moment. Is this our last goodbye? Haven't we learned each other? I guess one of us lied. So please just pull away. I can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie. I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed.